or anything we're doing. So today's photo shoot different, but in a photo shoot you can go all out.
As you have mentioned कि फिल्म में भी आप काफ़ी excited रहते हो, तो like recently news आई है you are doing प्रभु देवा जी के साथ एक मूवी कर रहे, तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा जानना चाहूँगी.
I think कोई भी डांसर को प्रभु देवा के साथ डांस करना it's like a really exciting thing. We just shot a song in Goa जहाँ पे बहुत सारा डांस है, and I think he is a legend. He is someone who dances really well, but moreover, more than the dancing, I think I learn a lot of timing from him, क्योंकि वो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें करते हैं scene के बीच में भी, and there's like that one expression he'll do and he steals the whole scene. So like little things like that, expressions even in a song, even अगर वो dance नहीं कर रहे हैं, but he'll do like a face, say some expression and make it look really fantastic. So I think I learn a lot from this.
Like apart from this, how do you see when some of friends or like जो internet social networking site पे when fans troll celebrity, so how do you see to this thing?
I think social networking is great because we can put our opinions, our thoughts, our views on things, or just generally talk and interact with people who watch our movies, क्योंकि हम लोग films fans के लिए ही बना रहे हैं. So we want people to watch it. It's not like I make my films for myself. So I'm a very fortunate actress to have a huge fan following and people who are very supportive. कभी कभी there are images of mine that come out like without makeup और जब भी बाल बने नहीं हैं, but I still get very positive feedback from fans. There are people who of course will put some nasty comments, but then these fans stand up and support me and they'll fight and they'll say, "Q, how dare you say this to Ada?" And so I'm very lucky to have that. But yes, you do get trolled sometimes for stuff, and I think you take that with this. You take the good with the bad. And
recently, some of controversy has came, like Ada Sharma is like something like that.
Yeah, I think kabhi there are people who look at your on-screen characters and they think कि वो character real में आप हो. I think वो बहुत बड़ा compliment है if somebody thinks I'm like my character, means I've pulled it off convincingly and I've managed to deliver that properly. But I think a little bit you should draw the line somewhere where I don't know either. It's different for different situations, and I thought the right thing for me to do for that situation was react like.
कमांडो 3 की भी कुछ चालू हो गई शूटिंग, इसके बारे में कुछ जानना चाहेंगे?
Shoot actually चालू नहीं हुआ अभी तक. They've announced it, and I'm very excited to be part of it because आप लोगों ने मुझे इतना प्यार दिया कमांडो 2 से, and वो कैरेक्टर भावना रेड्डी से, so I'd like to take that forward.
So लीड में एज एन विद्युत जामवाल या फिर कोई अदर एक्ट्रेस?
नहीं कमांडो अभी वही है.
वेल साउथ में भी काफी प्रोजेक्ट्स आपके आ रहे हैं, रियलिटी शोज आ रहे हैं, उसके बारे में कुछ जानना चाहेंगे?
मैंने रियलिटी शो जज किया, जैसे नच बली, एक्चुअली वो नच बली ही है साउथ का. सो मेरा पहला टाइम था जजिंग में. आई हैड लॉट्स ऑफ फन जजिंग. इट वाज I mean, you get to watch live performances and you get to be on a judges panel, so I felt very important, and yeah, it was fun. It was another new thing. I don't think I'll be able to do a reality show जहाँ मैं participant हूँ, because it's a very stressful thing. I saw सिर्फ डांस का नहीं, but it's just very stressful. I don't think मैं कर पाऊँगी, but judging was cool क्योंकि मुझ पे कोई stress नहीं था. It was just the only stress is like choose the right people. So
आज फोटो शूट पे बना जाएंगे कि why photo shoot?
We're shooting for a magazine, and like every photo shoot we're trying to do a little different. I like कि मैं हर बार कुछ ना कुछ अलग करूँ, so this is the first look.
So are you nervous कि काफी poses, काफी कपड़े चेंज करने पड़ेंगे? So
नहीं, आप सवाल पूछ रहे अभी फिर मुझे. नहीं, I don't think photo shoot के लिए not really nervous.
So what look you are like attiring for the photo shoot?
This is a gown, so it's like a very ethereal look. The other looks are, we're doing different looks which are all different from the others. So the others you'll see when the pictures are out. So this is for all of you guys.
well,
Thank you. Oh, you have anything else? Ask, please ask.
What do you like to wear most of the time? What traditional or jeans, t-shirt and?
My God, my friends
Your
make fun of me.
Yeah.
Style statement.
It's homeless actually. I wear really big t-shirts and you saw me walk in. Yes, that would be what I'd wear. I would wear shorts and a t-shirt, a ganji, maybe with that.
Gully
Or
look, kind of like the hippie types?
Little hippie-ish also, maybe little bohemian, depends. And when I'm not doing anything, then definitely homeless. My friends make fun of me and they say, how can you leave the house like this? And nowadays you all are at all locations, the media is everywhere, so you're like clicking and so sometimes I behave myself and dress up very nicely, but sometimes I don't. And I think it's nice, people should see you doing both things, so you are dressed very well sometimes and sometimes you're not. So then people see you as...
And what do you do to stay positive in your life?
It's sometimes hard if you have like a lot of negativity around, I have to admit. But generally I'm quite a positive person. I try to look at the good part of a situation. Even if you are in a situation that is so bad, I try to sometimes see the good part of it. I try to surround myself, like my team is very positive. They're really nice people. So I'm very blessed to have a great team who also supports me and who supports my madness. And
New Year dates are around, so what's the plan?
I'm shooting in Chennai. So for me, movie shooting is celebration. So I think that's the best way to start the year if you're shooting.
So any New Year resolution you can?
New Year resolution? No, I think just to continue probably doing whatever I'm always doing, and by which I mean whatever decision I take, I should be taking it on, like not influenced by someone else telling me to do something or stuff like that. I should be able to take my own decisions and be brave. I think that's the only thing.
And are you happy the way 2017 has passed?
Yeah, I think so. I'm generally, like I said, happy with stuff. As long as I can take my own decisions and do the stuff that I want to do. Of course, I want to do 100 times more the stuff than the things I am doing, but I'd rather do only that I want to do. I don't want to ever be in a situation where I have to do something because, oh God, I have to do it. So I've never been in that situation yet in my life. I'm very happy about that. So.
Plus, I will add on in it, what memories you will take of 2017 to 2018?
2017 was my Tamil debut now with Prabhu Devasa. There's Commando 2 happened in 2017. I signed Nescafe in 2017 and I did that whole look. And people watch the ad and now they don't know it's me. But it's me, for whoever's seen the ad, that the girl in the sari is me. Lots of stuff happened in 2017, yeah, so...
In Commando 2 gave Simi very comedy role, so
yes.
How's the role in Commando 3?
It's the same character, no? So her Hindi might become little better, but otherwise you have to deal with her.
Yeah. So lastly, Christmas and New Year wishes to your fans.
Well, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and make all resolutions that you think you can keep. If you think you can't keep the resolution, then also make it, because you never know. If you don't make it, then what's the fun? So actually wait, I'll change it. Make very difficult resolutions that you think you can't keep. So then you have to live up to them. I think that would be nice. And eat lots of Christmas sweets and sing lots of Christmas carols and high-pitched opera singing voices. And go to church and pray. Yes, I think that's my Thank you. Thank you. For a magazine, and this is the first look, and जो दूसरे दो look है, you will see pictures of it. So.
Okay, so do you think this kind of photo shoot helps in out in career when you do a photo shoot for a town magazine, people get attracted or the people from the industry get attracted?
I think as an actor, you are supposed to have people attracted to you, because if people are not attracted to you, they will not want to watch your movies or see what you're doing. Okay. So yes, as an actor, you should be very attractive. You should also know how to act along with being attractive. But yes, being attractive is very important.
And you're part of the South industry also, so
yes.
How is the experience as such? I mean, working with
actually, technicians are going from there to here and here to there, actors, actresses. So it's nice. I'm getting to do really good roles over there, and I've done some really memorable films of my career, like Heart Attack or Kshanam. Really great roles, huge scope of performance. So I'm very happy to be part of it.
Right now, so you're working on a big project. You want to discuss about that project you're working in?
Yes, I'm doing Charlie Chaplin 2, which is my Tamil debut opposite Prabhu Devasa, and I'm very excited. I want to do films in all languages, and India में ही इतने सारे languages है to do. So I've done Hindi, I've done Telugu, Kannada. I've done one film with Puneet Rajkumar. There's Malayalam and Tamil that was left. Tamil I can speak. I'm a Tamilian, so it's easier than Telugu. Like I had to learn the language from scratch. So Tamil is Yeah, I'm having fun doing it.
But do you think going to South industry and working over there, like the South industry actors doesn't come to Hindi film industry to work in regularly as such?
As in actors?
Actors, I'm not an actor. Established film doesn't come to Mumbai to get offers. So why the reason that Hindi film industry?
I don't know. I think like all our actresses have done films in South before, like from Aishwarya Rai to Sridevi to. I think all our actresses have worked in all industries. I don't think it's any more of coming and going anywhere. It's a flight away. Sometimes we don't shoot Hindi movies only in India. Marathi movies are not only in Maharashtra. Sometimes they go abroad and shoot. So if you can go abroad, you can go to another state in your own country, which is India. Because now for me, I'm an Indian. I want to do films in all languages in India. So wherever I get like a really good role to do, and I can pick up a language, I believe I'm intelligent enough to learn a new language. I think everyone sees. I mean, it does exist, but I think if my mom was an actress too, it would definitely help me get contacts. It would definitely get me help to meet people, and it would be really nice. But my mom chose to do MSc Chemistry instead of being an actress or get into movies. So yeah, instead of sitting and cribbing about that, oh no, my parents are not. I think you should just do your thing. People are being nice to me, giving me great roles. I'm getting a chance to do a lot of stuff. Of course, I would like to do maybe 100 movies because I'm very greedy, but I'm getting to do maybe 10. But at least I'm in a place right now where I can choose the ones that I want to do. But insecurity, I think all humans are insecure. It has nothing to do with men or women.
But still, I mean, when it comes to women, they do have safety issues as such.
Safety issues. Yeah, but as an actor, I think for me to comment on it might not be correct because as an actor, you're always, even if I'm walking on the road, like people have asked me, do you feel safe in our country at night? And yes, because I'm going in my car, which has my driver in it, to my own house. So I step in from the car to my house. But you should ask safety and things about girls who are traveling like in trains at night. Do they feel safe? And do people who are walking on the streets at night, do those girls feel safe if they are walking alone? It's wrong to ask an actor because we're usually traveling with someone. Very rarely would I just get out of my house at, I don't know the last time at like 2 o'clock in the night and walk on the road or catch a train. So I'm privileged enough to, I'm privileged, I have people usually with me. But I know girls who travel in trains and all and some of them don't feel safe. However, in Bombay, again, we do feel very safe. I think our women here are safe, but there are certain places where girls don't feel safe. So you should ask those girls.
But still, when there is a controversy, there is some issues related to a celebrity as such. When they comment something, people don't take it seriously as such because they think that this is just for the publicity stunt. So what do you think?
But you'll always have people who take both sides. So there'll be people who will believe it. There will be people who don't. There will be people who will take it positively. There will be people who don't. So you can't now live for and make everyone happy. There will be people who will like stuff, there will be people who won't. There are going to be people who are always seeing a negative thing. There are going to be people, so I don't know. I'm someone who likes to see the positive side because negative people are there everywhere. You should just keep them far away and live your life. Thank you.